not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name's Ashley. If you're returning, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe if you're here for the vibes and like what I offer. Huh?
Take my egg. Take out my egg. This is my sandwich.
Are you sleepy? All aboard! Choo choo! It's been a long day, and I'm making me something to eat. I'm finna go to bed and then have to start all over again, because that's what we do. We move. But it's been a long day and it's been raining. It's like all I heard today was blah 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 blah. But it's a new day. It's about to be a new day. Oh no, I got my shirt dirty. Hey guys, here I was just making up my bed and getting ready for work. I decided to go with a really chill vibe. I think this day it was a little rainy, so we went with cozy and casual.
Good morning.
But I can't make a scene. But I can't make a scene. See you face to face, I'm thinking about the days we used to be. But I can't make a scene. But I can't make a scene. Sometimes I wish you knew, but I disguise the truth. I say I'm happy, but I'm still stuck on us. Does your mind play this game too? Think about me and you. I guess I'll just pretend until it all makes sense. See you face to face, I'm thinking about the days we used to be. Yes, honey. You okay? You're not okay? Why not?
I don't want.
You don't want what?
I want some.
Even if it's true. Even if it's true. I guess it's overdue. Tell me your point of view. Tell me, am I to blame? You're so good with change. A table set for two. You got me waiting, but you ain't coming through. So baby feeling, it's this one thing you did. It's this one thing that caught me slipping. It's this one thing I want to admit. This one thing and I was so weird. It's this one thing you did. And maybe I just can't believe it. It's this one thing you did. I can't deny time trying to pull up the door, but I keep on seeing you. I'm hoping you can get me seeing me. Babe, what you did. It's this one thing that got me coming in. This one thing is so baby feeling. This one thing you did. It's this one thing that caught me slipping. It's this one thing I want to admit. This one thing and I was so with it. It's this one thing you did. It's this one thing. So here I'm just unboxing a few things that I purchased from Amazon. I purchased this lovely devotional journal. I absolutely love this. I saw one of the influencers talking about this, and then I felt that it was a really great thing to purchase and to explore, especially because in a couple of my previous vlogs, I mentioned how I want to get a closer relationship with God. And here, these are just some LED lights that I purchased to place on the back of my mirror. I found this really, really cute inspo on Pinterest, and I just had to recreate it.
Mommy, it's not good.
It's not good. So I have a new plant. This is actually a faux plant that I found at Hobby Lobby. And this is like a cute beige cement planter with the Spanish moss. All of that came to a total of $70. Everything was on sale. We love a good sale. And this little area right here, I was trying to think if I wanted to mount it and put it up there. I caught myself trying to mount it before, but total fail. But I don't know, because I've seen some like inspo on Pinterest that had like a setup similar to this, and I found these LED lights that I want to put on the back of the mirror to give it like a little brightness, little, you know, a little vibe or something. But I don't know, do you guys think I should mount it or leave it here? Let me know what you think. Go Phoenix, go Phoenix, go. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh.
Thank you.
The brioche French toast came out a little too crispy, but that's all right because we still won't eat it. Hey guys, so we're about to go to an Easter egg hunt, and this is what I'm wearing. This very casual and... Hi Phoenix.
Hi, Mommy.
Whee! You ready? So we just got back in. We're about to make some pizza.
Pizza.
Cheers.
Yeah, I like it.
It's really cool. Never notes.
Yeah, I remember. Mike, what's out the blue?
In a way,
Yeah. What?
this stock pot that I found at Aldi. This was only $20. It has a lid to go along with it. Trader Joe's. Day. So we are headed out. I have to finish getting Phoenix ready. This is the look for today, and I'm trying to figure out what shoes I'm gonna wear. And I just purchased the Fenty blotting powder. I'm gonna test this out, see what it's given, and see you guys later. Bye.
This is called
Enjoy the luxury.
you got that stomach and spoons.
So first I put some whole coffee beans and then I sprinkle a little bit of ground, and then we mix that all up in the grinder and add 2 tablespoons to the French press. My French press of choice is my Stanley. I love her. And then we boil some water. Well, actually, I'm sorry, we don't boil it. You get hot water and it should be up to about 93 degrees. But me, I always end up boiling it, but I have not seen like any bad results. So, yeah. And then we press this down the plunger for leave that about 4 minutes, and then you can actually pour your coffee into your coffee mug of choice. So then I froth up some almond milk creamer along with some, I believe it was French vanilla syrup, sprinkle some nutmeg and cinnamon on there, just, you know, for a little extra-ness. I don't know where I belong no more. I didn't get a chance to show you guys like a formal Target haul, but I wanted to show you guys some beauty products that are restocked, which is the LA Pro Girl concealers and the Maybelline BB cream. Love that if you're going for like a light makeup look, but it's also so great that you can like build it up if you want a more full or medium coverage look. And this is what I use for contour. This is actually a purchase that I was influenced to buy because I love the applicator. It's like this little soft sponge. I got this in shade medium tan.
It's tan?